Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. John here, and you're on the Sky One Videos channel. Hey, there's been a little bit of talk about catch cans and whether you should or should not use it. I want to go over a little bit of that. This is my 2019 Dodge Challenger wide body Scatpack, and yeah, let me pop the hood.
Get strong.
My last Challenger was a stick, and you got to be careful on which lever you pull. If you pull the brake release on the older Challengers, you got to roll your car. Some people pull the wrong lever when they're looking for the hood release, so be careful. This is my baby. I've got a few things that people say you don't need. You don't need the strut tower braces. You don't need a cold air intake, and you don't need a catch can. I put them on. I swear I got more performance with this. I swear I got more performance going with the Petty track bar, strut bar, sorry. I got it in the front and the back. And yeah, so there's my catch can. Notice it does discolor a little bit. This thing was black. I don't know, it's changing like to a, I don't know, it's kind of like a bronze color now. It's weird. But a couple things. When you do open these, there's a little filter thing that hangs down on here, so don't be quick to pull it out. Just because you got it unscrewed all the way, you're going to be wanting to pull it straight out. You have to be real careful, take your time. Make sure you always have another finger underneath it to catch it, because you don't want to drop that crap down there. I haven't done it yet, but I've messed with other stuff and that's happened to me before. So let's find out. I haven't emptied this thing in you know, I don't remember. Maybe 6 months, 3 months, probably 6 months. So let's see what we find. So I put my whole hand underneath it on this side. Okay, so now, see, I can't pull it out yet. I'm going to go down, around, and there it is. Can you see? There's quite a bit in there, actually. I'm not sure if the camera's getting it at all. I'm going to pour it into something so you can see a little bit better. But it's about up to that, just about up to here with oil. Now, hot air comes in. It's a cold air intake, but it comes in and then it gets hot because of this, right? But I don't know, you're putting oil in there and it's kind of air, and there's no fuel there, so the oil's gonna kind of get all sticky and stuff. I did have an issue with my intake runners getting stuck, and I don't know if it was what the problem was, but they did fix it. They did change some kind of valve and did a software update, but I don't know if it was from the oil getting old and sticky or whatnot, because motor oil, when it dries out, it gets really nasty. So that's your call whether you want to put one of these on here or not. I've got one on mine, so let's take a look. All right, so I poured it into this Listerine bottle. You can see how much is in there. It doesn't look like the oil in my crankcase. Pretty black too. So yeah, it does catch stuff. I don't want that going in there. When you put the cap back on, you don't have to crank it real tight. It should be pretty snug, but it's got like a gasket here, so that it's kind of like a Loctite, so it's not like it's gonna vibrate loose. Yeah, so that's it. It's my JLT cold air intake. I put a rain deflector on it so that I could leave this open. A lot of people, you know, JLT tell you to close that off. To me, that defeats the purpose. Would like to not even have this on there, but you kind of need it. I like this one better because it's easier to remove this and change it out. Just loosen this up. I can twist it, right? And then I can take this stuff off and change that filter out. I don't know how often I have to change that. I'm gonna have to take a look at it, but it's probably looking still pretty clean. Yeah. And there's the strut tower braces. I really like the way the car handles with those on there. And had old Richard's autographed my car. It was fun meeting him. So yeah, that's about it. You get to see how much oil was in there after I think it was about 4 to 6 months of driving. I may have emptied it about probably about 4 months ago. But yeah, I think it's a good idea. I don't see why not. I mean, things were like $100. I don't go with the there's a company out there, I don't want to mention their name, but there's a company out there selling products like this for a lot of money. This one here was about $100. You can get them as low as like $30. So it's all your choice on what you want to get. But yeah, see, it did discolor a little bit. But anyway, it is what it is. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and put that down there in the comment section, and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.